How to import contacts from Excel in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application, and I also have my Excel file right here. So for example, what I want to do is that I want to import the contacts right here listed in my Excel file into Outlook. So the first thing that we need to do is that we need to convert this Excel file into a CSV file. So to do that, let's go to File, go to Save As. From here, we can click browse, or before we do that, we can also choose CSV file right here, which is this one, comma delimited.csv. So choose that. From here, click browse, and then make sure that the file type is CSV. Then from here, you can change the name if you want, but I'm going to stick with import contacts.csv. From here, click save, and now we have the CSV file. So from here, we can go to Outlook, and then what we're going to do is that we're going to go right here to the contacts, and then let's go ahead and go to File. From here, go to Open and Export, and then click Import/Export. From there, we need to choose this one, Import from another program or file, and then click Next, and then choose comma separated values, click Next, and then from here, let's choose the file to import. So click browse, and then the file to import will be this one, the import contacts.csv. Click OK, and then for the options, so it's either you will replace duplicates with items imported, allow duplicates to be created, or do not import duplicate items. So I will just allow duplicates to be created so that I can review the contacts, and then I can just delete the things that I don't need. And then from here, we can go ahead and click next, and then select the destination folder. So the destination folder will be the contacts folder. Click next again, and then a file error has occurred because the file is locked. So I think it's because it's open right here. So we need to close this first, and then click next again, and then we now have this one, import a file. So before we import the file, we can map the custom fields because sometimes it doesn't use all of the values correctly from our Excel file. So from here, it uses the first name and last name correctly, but when we scroll down, we can see that it doesn't use the other details. So it uses the email correctly right here, but for the city, state, postal code, and phone number, it's not listed right here. So we can go to business address, and then we can go ahead and put in the city right here. So we can just drag and drop it to the correct field. And then for state, we can also do that as well. And then for postal code, we can put it right here. And then let's find the phone number. So we can just use this business phone right here. And then that is it. So be careful that you don't press the default map, because if you press the default map, it will bring back the fields right here to the default map, or it will reset it. So it will just use the default map that is being detected by Outlook, which is just the email and then the first name, last name. So from here, we still need to bring back the city, state, postal code, and then the phone number right here. Then click OK. Once we're done, click finish. So it's now imported, and then now we have the contacts right here. So I think the contacts has been doubled because I haven't deleted the previous contacts, but still we still have the contacts imported right here. So it's this one. So the previous contacts has incomplete data right here. So as you can see, it just says contact imported, city, state, postal code, and phone number. But when I go to the other contact, which is what we just created, so it was imported successfully. So imported correctly. So we have the email, We have the chat email right here, the work phone, and then the business address. And then that is it. So that is how you can import your contacts from Excel into Outlook. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.